In this video, I will share some home remedies for snoring. Almost in every family, there will be a person who snores. According to statistics from the National Sleep Foundation, around 1 in 3 men and 1 in 4 women snores every night. They disturb others' sleep also. People who snore will not be aware that they are snoring because they will be in deep sleep. Rest of the family members will face the difficulty to sleep because of their snoring. It is very annoying. Without wasting time, I will share you the tips to avoid snoring. First one is ginger and honey tea. Both are kitchen items. We call it superfoods because of their medicinal power. These both helps to reduce snoring. Not only this, it also helps us in many other ways like curing cough, cold, upset stomach. Even helps to lose weight also. It soothes throats. To prepare this tea, boil a cup of water, add 2 tablespoons of grated fresh ginger. Boil the water for 3 minutes, then strain the ginger from the water. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey and drink it when it is warm. After dinner, leaving half an hour to 45 minutes of time, drink this tea and go to bed every night. Second one is garlic, onion and radish. These are strong aromatic food. They prevent nose drying and reduce congestion in the nose. These food also helps to decrease swelling tonsils. To control snoring, one should eat 3 garlic cloves before going to bed, or raw onion half, or small onion, or else raw radish, a small one, should eat. If you feel that you can't eat before going to bed because of their bad smell, you can use them in your dinner but as raw. Third one is fruits like pineapple, orange and banana. A hormone in our body called melatonin helps us to have a good sleep without disturbance. These 3 fruits helps us to improve this hormone called melatonin. So, we should eat pineapple, orange and banana regularly. Fourth one, extra virgin olive oil. We get olive oil mostly in all grocery stores. It prevents the throat muscle from blocking when you sleep. So, sipping 1 to 2 spoons of this oil will help you to get rid of snoring. Dear viewers, one thing you should all keep in mind that these remedies will not help in overnight. These are kitchen items. We call it home remedies. We need to use these items at least for 15 days to see the result. These are harmless and no side effect also. But if you have allergy to any of the ingredients, kindly avoid, or else no loss in giving a try, because these helps us one or the other way.